sewing channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pattern review on Mccalls 7286. This is what the envelope looks like. And this is just a really nice shirt for women to sew. It's great for fall, it's great for winter. And I did do a few alterations to it. So stay tuned so you know like what kind of tips and tricks to use if you want to make this pattern for yourself. I have the shirt right here, and so in this sewing pattern review, I'm going to go through all the details like the pattern sizing and different things like that, and then I'll go ahead and try it on so that you can see how it fits me. So here is the shirt right here, and first off, I'm going to show you, this is the pattern again, and the pattern description says it's a close-fitting pullover top. It has a neckband and hemline variations, and so it is designed for light to medium weight, moderate stretch knit fabrics. Here are the line drawings in the back. I did view D, but I didn't make it with the contrasting prints, but I will show you what I did to it. So even though I didn't do a contrasting print, I flipped the fabric to make it, well, you'll see, I'll show you. So you've got like a longer length and then you've got a shorter length. You even have view A and B that has round corner hems on the bottom. And you can do a short sleeve or you can do a long sleeve as well. So the pattern sizing, this envelope is a large, extra large, and an extra, extra large. So if you want the smaller sizes, then you have to pick up the different envelopes. And let me tell you the sizes on here. It goes from extra small clear up to extra, extra large. And the finished garment measurement has a bust line of 33.5 inches all the way up to 51 inches. And I actually went with a size large, which shows 43 inches is the finished garment measurements, and my bust size is a 40. So yeah, I went with the one that is bigger, but I'll show you, here's some pictures right here. It didn't come out overly sized. I actually really like the sizing of it. I just wish it was a little bit longer, so we'll get into that as well. And so were the instructions easy to follow? And yeah, I would say that the instructions were easy to follow. You had 5 pieces in the front and then 3 additional pieces in the back because you've got those extra pieces that you have to lay out and sew. Another thing that I found interesting is on the sleeve, it actually has a dart. So you can't see it on here at all. Well, let me show you. There's a sew mark right here. So this is the sleeve, I'll show you on the inside. And they wanted you to put a dart in the sleeve, and I've never done that before. And this is even a raglan sleeve. So I did that. I was kind of nervous as to how that would turn out, but it turned out just fine. And then for the sleeves down here, I did just a fake hem with my serger where I folded it in and serged it to that, and then I just top stitched it. So that's what the sleeves look like. And here is the inside of the shirt. So there's how I serged it right there. And then the neckband, there was no problem. I didn't write down any notes. There was no problem with how the neckband went on. That fit it just fine. And let me see, what else do I want to show you? Oh, okay. And so then how I did the bottom part, you see how it has it contrasting right there. So what I did, and I've seen this on ready to wear shirts before, but I turned, see how the ribbing is going down? I turned the ribbing on the sides to where it goes the other way. And I thought that is like a kind of a cool detail. I really like how that turned out. This is the hem below, no problems with that. All I did on the hem is I serged it and then I folded it over and sewed it down using my walking foot. So really, I didn't make any alterations on this. All I did was, turn that. I don't know if that's not really an alteration because they wanted you to put something separate right there on the sides. But the one thing that I do wish was different with this is I wish it was like 1 inch shorter, because before I hemmed it, it was like just a really, really good length. And then when I hemmed it, it came up above, my crotch area. And I kind of like to have that part covered. So I'm actually going to show you, this is what the sleeve looks like. See, and they've got this slit right here up at the top. So I cut the slit and then I sewed it in, and then I sewed it to the shirt, and it ended up coming out just fine. So let me go ahead and try this on, and so you can see how the fit is. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. I really like it. It's just a basic, really nice shirt with the raglan tee style. You don't even see where they had me put the dart in on the shoulder. And see, here's where the bias goes. That way I feel like it does a slight slimming type look to it. The sleeve length I think is really nice. It doesn't bother me that it's a little bit baggy right there. Some shirts it has in the past. I think the neck part turned out really well. And the fabric that I'm using is a rib knit that I purchased from Olga's Closet. So it's a floral ribbed knit. I don't know if I love the fabric. Okay. So did this look just like the drawing? And yes, I really think it did. I do like it a lot. It's just a really good basic tee for your me-made wardrobe. So would I make it again? Yes, I would make it again. I can't wait to get started on it again. I do want to make it again. And let me know, would you make this shirt, or what do you think about it overall? Or have you made this shirt before? Or let me know what Mccalls patterns you have in mind. What are you currently making as well? Oh, and don't go anywhere because I did post some really fun videos here at the end. So make sure that you click the like and subscribe if you haven't already. And then I do hope to see you in my next video. So until next time, happy sewing. Bye guys.